This is just a quick video to follow up from the last video that we did with the Multitech gateway and the AM103 sensor. When I was searching for sensors or for unknown sensors in the last video, I found a sensor that had a Milesight code. And I actually forgot about it. It was a CT101, this sensor here that you can see. I installed it in the consumer unit here in the office and I forgot completely about it. So I brought in the sensor, which is this one here, ending in 8963. So because it was in my unknown, in my sensor definitions, not my sensor definitions, in my LoRaWAN and my packets, I saw it in my unknown packets. See this unknown Devi here? Again, I don't know what this is. This is definitely 70B3D5BF. This is definitely not a Milesight, but all Milesights begin with 24E124. So I knew it was a Milesight sensor. So what I did is I brought it in, see the 21E124, I brought it in and then I added in the extra two lots of Milesight codes. And I can show you, I think it is, no, not there. It will be in the, where are you? Key management. This was a sensor 8963. And I added in that standard code for a Milesight, and that's the standard app key for a Milesight. I added them in, and lo and behold, I got some data. Now the data is, let me just move this to one side. The data is here. Let me just move that to one side. That was a JSON that I wrote. So it's giving me here the current amps, the temperature, because there's a temperature sensor that you can put on the cable, and the total current that's being used. So that's going back to my server via the Milesight. This was my JSON that I quickly wrote. So total current, and temperature. Oops, put that back. And I'm using the CT10 decoder JSON, which is on this website here. So if I go back to here, on this website, this is the CT10 decoder JSON there. You can download. These are just some more information on the units, but this has a clip on. I think it clips in there, and it's just a wire with a temperature that you can tie wrap onto your cable, so it monitors the temperature actually off the cable. So that's quite small, and it's fitted in my consumer unit. No battery needed. It's taking its power from the cable through the CT. And once I took that information, all I did then was go to my sensor definition, manage my sensors. Added my sensor in there, the CT10. This is the sensor definitions, if you remember from the last video, and that's the CT10x. And all you do there is you go to your you type in your manufacturer, Milesight CT10x. Oops. Get rid of that. CT10x. Allow overwrite. Get your JSON file. There's my JSON file, CT10 JSON, which I've just shown you. Get your sensor decoder file. There's the sensor decoder file for it. And then import it. Get a nice green box there. It checks all the code. If the code's not right, it will go red. So that's that added as a device now. And then we did our sensor definitions. Not sensor definitions, our managed sensors. We added it to our managed sensors for the BACnet, and then I added some BACnet objects. And if we go through the BACnet objects, That's one of them. 33, 31 and 21. I just pick some random numbers, that's all. And then if we go and close that down, and we don't need that anymore, you can see the 21, the 31 and the 33, which is coming back. So total amps 49820.94. It's been installed for quite a while, so there's quite a bit of amps there. Currently using 4.89 amps in this office area, and the temperature is 33.10. And I could, if I go back to it, probably see when the last time it was polled. I would have to open up a browser again and go, oh no, it is there. So I could go to my devices, and it polled 1 hour ago. So it's been online 21 hours and it polled 1 hour ago. Where the others are polling every 5 minutes, that's polling probably about every 1 hour. Okay, just a short video showing you that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.